Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Bunty the Photo Techie and I've got a very quick video for you today. So I found this solution. It's called the Game Trigger Treadz and Thumb Pack. It comes with some longer thumb grips, these thumbstick sort of like domed. There's a domed one and there's a dipped one, and like control freaks, but I think these just slide onto the thumbstick. So I'll be trying the Turtle Beach Recon controller first because that's the one I play the most on at the moment. So let's try the bigger one first. Looks not bad, it looks good actually. So I don't know if you can see the height it's added. And it feels, yeah, it feels good actually. Yeah, feels really nice. Gets on, looks nice as well actually. I don't mind that green Xbox color. Feels very good. I do feel as if I have a bit more grip. Yeah. So colors are nice. Let's just see how they perform. So guys, well, I had a game with the tall one and the short one as well. I think I do prefer the tall one with maybe a little bit of lower sensitivity. Yeah, 35 kills with the tall one, not bad in domination game. So yeah, I think they do work. They are not slipping, they are there very solidly, so that's very good. So yeah, I think for the price you just can't go wrong. Well, control freaks, I mean they look good as well, to be honest. You know, I like how nice and flush they are sitting. So yeah, I would recommend these if you need, you know, if you need to have that extra height on your stick, then definitely check these out. Well, I hope you find this useful and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.